Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. Not much news this week on anything really, so let's get on to some few things that we're talking about. So on today's video, we're talking about Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. It has an online flash sale. Like I said, that's why I like Boost Mobile versus like Metro or something like that, that you have to go into a physical store. A lot of people don't want to go to physical stores. They want to shop online, and that's what we're doing today. So it says online flash sale Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, $149.99, guys. Big flash sale for this phone. It's you save $130 off of it. So if we go to shop now, we'll talk about it a little bit. I don't know why my voice started sounding like this all of a sudden. Didn't sound like this, and I started making this video, and boom. So yeah, but before we continue, guys, let's go ahead and talk about our supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes on popular websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. Will be in the description below. It's totally free. Gets you the best promos like these. So like I said, this phone retails for $279.99, guys. You get it for $149.99. That's $130 savings. Why get this phone? Well, let's talk about it. It's a 6.52-inch screen, 48 megapixel camera, 41 hours of talk time, 64 gigs of internal storage, and Android 11. So it says Galaxy A32 5G. So remember, it's a 5G phone. Offers our best core features in one of the most affordable 5G devices on the market. That means you get a long-lasting battery, expandable storage, multiple cameras, a super crisp display, and blazing fast 5G. So this is actually the cheapest 5G phone out there currently that they have on promotion. So like I said, it's $150. So it might be actually worth to pick it up to see and test out T-Mobile's network currently, because that's what Boost Mobile is using. They won't start using AT&T's network till early October, it looks like. So like I said, this is a 5G phone, which is real nice. If you have a T-Mobile 5G in your area, this might be worth it. Does have 5,000 milliamp battery, a 15-watt fast charging battery. Smooth scrolling up ahead. So it does have good memory and battery life. It does have 4 gigs of RAM, which is good for gaming. Storage is 64 gigs of internal storage, up to 1 terabyte SD card, and does have an octa-core processor. This phone might be actually worth picking up for the studio and maybe doing a review or an unboxing for you guys. Let me know. Like I said, it does have 4 core cameras really. It's a macro, ultra wide camera, main, and a depth sensor. It does have a flash. Bold, crisp colors from edge to edge. Really nice. It's a 6.5-inch, like I said, HD plus Infinity V display. Understand modern blah blah blah. Let's look at the specs. Like I said, I want to make just a quick video. Don't want to spend too much of your guys' time because there's not much news. 5,000 milliamp battery, talk time up to 41 hours, non-removable. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of memory, which is real nice. It does have MediaTek processor. So no octa-core, which I don't know how some people really don't like MediaTek processors. I'm personally a Snapdragon person, but you know, or iOS. Like I said, there's the cameras: 48, 8, 5, and a 2 megapixel quad rear cameras, 13 megapixel front facing camera. The display is a 720, so it's not a 1080, but still it's good. And then it does have Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, NFC compatible, and fast charging. So overall, I think for this price, I might actually go ahead and pick it up, guys, and do an unboxing for you guys and gaming reviews, and maybe test out that 5G network. So who knows? Let's go ahead and test it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, quick video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. A lot more to come. I'm just waiting for more phones to drop.